Okay, now we're going to continue with the review for simple past regular verbs, okay? Simple past, regular verbs. Okay, for the simple past, using now verbs, the difference between using the verb to be and verbs like as an actions is that one. Okay, for the verb to be, we're going to tell or communicate that we are in some place, that we were happy, or we were something. Okay, in this case, we're going to use actions, activities. Yeah, for this. For the simple past, regular verbs or irregular verbs, simple past, using actions, we're going to use all the time the verbs in present and past. Okay, we're going to use the verbs in present and past. Why? Okay, we're going to figure out. I'm going to write here some verbs, some examples about verbs, okay? So we can continue. For example, regular verb, it can say work, the present. If it's a regular verb, we're going to add an ed, yeah? Work, worked. Yes? For example, dance, danced. Yep. Play, played. Okay, I'm going to use those verbs. Okay, for this part of simple past, why are we going to use the present and the past? Okay, for affirmative sentences, we're going to use the past of the verbs like this. For example, I worked, yes, in past. Okay, I worked all day long. Yes, yesterday. It doesn't matter the personal pronoun you're using. It is going to be the same. This is the easy part of the simple past, okay? I can change I by you. I can change you by we. Or as well, I can say a personal name, like for example, Ochoa. Worked. Yes, it doesn't matter. If it's affirmative, the verb is going to be in past. Yes, and the personal pronoun doesn't make any change on the verb or whatever we want to add. Yes. Okay. Now, why are we going to use this the present for the verb to be for the verbs? I'm sorry. It is because we're going to use an auxiliary verb. Our auxiliary verb for the simple past is did. Okay. It is going to be for all the personal pronouns. How is this? For negative, okay, now we're going to write negative sentences. This is just a review, remember, okay? So I'm going to use only one example of each. For example, for negative sentences, yes, I'm going to do the next. I did not. Yes, it means that we're using the simple past. That's why we're going to use the verbs in present, okay? For example, I did not dance. Yes, I did not dance at the party. Okay, remember, it doesn't change if I change the personal pronoun. I can say you, I can say we, or as well, I can say a name of a person, right? For example, Paola, just to give an example, Paola did not dance. As well, we can use contractions. Yes, didn't. Okay, Paola didn't dance at the party. Yeah, and now we're going to make questions. Okay, for the questions, it is going to happen the same. We're going to use our auxiliary did, and it is going to be at the first of the sentence. How? For example, did you play? Yes. Or it can be, did she? Did he? It doesn't matter. It is going to be the same. Yes. Did Ochoa, okay. Did Ochoa play the piano? Yes, he did. Or no, he didn't. And that's it. Simple past with regular verbs. Okay, what if I want to make WH question? It is going to be the same. What did you do on vacations? Okay, here I'm adding an irregular verb that is do. What did you do? For example, I played soccer, yes. Auxiliary verb, yeah. Or where did you stay during vacations? Where, okay, what did you do? Where did you stay? And some other questions, okay? Remember that we can change the personal pronouns. It doesn't matter, okay? Simple past with regular verbs.